Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories in the world of business. And today, we're diving into a company that has seen some exciting changes. We've got the latest report from Hub Group Incorporated, and let's just say there is a big shift happening behind the scenes, especially when it comes to their legal leadership. Stick around as we break down what this means for the company's future. And before we get too deep, if you love getting the real story behind these corporate documents without all the jargon, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we chat about these things all the time. Jump in and join the conversation. Alright, so this report is officially dated the 18th of September 2025, giving us a snapshot of what is happening at Hub Group Incorporated, or HubJ as you might see it traded on the Nasdaq. This is a Form 8K, which basically means it is a report about a significant event that a company needs to tell its investors about right away. Think of it as a major announcement that can wait for the usual quarterly reports. The main headline here is all about changes in their top brass, specifically when it comes to their legal department. It falls under item 5.02 of the filing, which deals with leadership changes and compensation. Specifically, we're relooking at the retirement of a key executive on the 18th of September 2025, Thomas P. LaFrance, who held the important roles of Executive Vice President, Chief Legal Officer, and Corporate Secretary, let the company know he is retiring. His last day in that role will be the 2nd of January 2026. The company is thanking him for his contributions, which is pretty standard practice. But what is interesting is that he is expected to help with the transition until the 6th of March 2026, suggesting a smooth handover is a priority. Now, who is stepping into those very big shoes? It is Eric Braun. He'll be joining Hub Group Incorporated on the 29th of October 2025 and will officially take over as the new Executive Vice President, Chief Legal Officer, and Corporate Secretary on the 3rd of January 2026. Mr. Braun comes with a wealth of experience, spending over 20 years at a giant like Caterpillar Incorporated. He held significant legal positions there, most recently as a Vice President and Deputy General Counsel. He was responsible for major areas like supporting a big business segment and overseeing all of Caterpillar's worldwide lawsuits. That kind of experience in managing legal matters for a global company is pretty significant and tells us they bringing in someone who can handle complex situations. His past roles also included leadership in areas like making sure the company follows rules, protecting their ideas, handling business deals, and dealing with international trade and regulations. Before Caterpillar, he was a lawyer at Greenbaum Dole Swim Pamp McDonald. He is a graduate from Centre College and the University of Kentucky College of Law, so he has got a strong legal background. While the report gives us details about the company's structure, like its state of incorporation being Delaware and its main office in Oak Brook, Illinois, what we're really interested in is the operational and leadership impact. The phone number is listed as 630-271-3600, but that is not really the story we're redigging into today. This report is filed under specific sections of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. This is the overarching law that governs how companies trade stocks and provide information to the public. It ensures transparency for investors. For investors, it is always good to know where a company's stock is traded. Hub Group Incorporated's class A common stock is traded under the symbol HUBG on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. This tells us it is a publicly traded company whose performance is closely watched. The filing also asks companies if they an emerging growth company. Hub Group Incorporated has indicated they are not, which generally means they are a more established company and have different reporting requirements. Now, the most compelling part of any of these filings, especially an 8K that focuses on significant events, is to understand the implications. While this report doesn't contain detailed financial tables like a quarterly or annual report usually would, the change in Chief Legal Officer is a significant event. In the business world, the General Counsel or Chief Legal Officer is a critical role. They advise the CEO and the Board of Directors on all legal matters, manage the company's legal team, and are often involved in strategic decisions, mergers, acquisitions, and risk management. A smooth transition here, with an experienced successor like Mr. Braun, suggests that Hub Group Incorporated is aiming to maintain stability and continue its strategic direction without disruption. His background at Caterpillar dealing with global litigation and regulatory matters indicates he is well equipped to handle the complexities of a company in the transportation and logistics industry. This move could signal a focus on strengthening compliance, managing risk more effectively, or preparing for potential future legal challenges or growth opportunities. It's not just about signing contracts, it is about safeguarding the company's operations and future. Looking at Hub Group Incorporated more broadly, they operate in the logistics and transportation space. This industry is highly competitive and sensitive to economic cycles. Key strengths for companies like Hub Group usually lie in their network, their technology platforms, and their ability to efficiently move goods. Weaknesses can stem from rising fuel costs, labor shortages, intense price competition, and disruptions in the supply chain. The appointment of a seasoned legal leader like Mr. Braun, especially one with a background in a massive industrial company like Caterpillar, could be seen as a strategic move to bolster their corporate governance and risk mitigation strategies. This might be particularly relevant as the logistics sector continues to innovate and face evolving regulatory landscapes. In my opinion, this leadership change at the top of the legal department is a positive indicator of proactive management. It suggests Hub Group Incorporated is prioritizing strong oversight and strategic legal counsel as it navigates the dynamic transportation market. The company is clearly focused on ensuring continuity and bringing in proven expertise. While we don't have specific financial numbers to dissect from this particular filing, the strategic importance of this appointment shouldn't be underestimated. It's a sign that the company is thinking long-term about its stability and its ability to handle complex legal and regulatory issues, which is always a good sign for investors. Alright, that is our breakdown of Hub Group Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on this leadership change and what it might mean for the company? Future, drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.